So anaerobic glycolysis results in the generation of 6 molecules of ADP. Then this process will result in the generation of a molecule known as lactic acid, and that will be converted into pyruvate. Pyruvate will be transported into the mitochondria, and this will enter the citric acid cycle, resulting in the generation of more molecules of ATP بالعدد 30 molecules of ATP. شوفوا الفارق 30 هنا 30 molecule of ATP بينما الانيروبيك glycolysis تعطينا 6 molecules of ATP. اكو فارق. The first part is known as anaerobic glycolysis بينما من يدخل البيروفيت للميتوكوندريا هنا ويدخل للسيتريك اسيد سايكل هذا راح تصير aerobic glycolysis. So aerobic glycolysis results in more molecules of ATP. That these molecules of ATP will be used by different intracellular mechanisms, enzymes, resulting in consumption of energy. When there is hypoxia طبعا لا ننسى انه الميتوكوندريا هنا تستعمل الاكسجين. اذا صار عندنا reduction of oxygen يعني when there is reduction of oxygen supply to the cell, this will result in reduction or suppression of the aerobic glycolytic pathway, resulting in generation of less amount of ATP. So there will be deficiency of ATP, deficiency of energy inside the cell. Due to this deficiency of ATP, this will result in sometimes in inhibition or suppression of the transmembrane transporter protein, because these proteins are ATP dependent. لما ينقص ال ATP لما ينقص ال ATP ايش راح يصير؟ راح الترانسممبرين ترانسبورتر بروتين راح يوقف، وبالنهاية ايش راح يصير؟ راح الكالسيوم اللي كان يعني بالحالات الطبيعية الخلية تتخلص منه تطلعه برا راح يتراكم داخل الخلية. And this accumulation of free calcium ion concentration, calcium ion in high concentration, this will result in premature activation of lysosomal enzymes. ليش؟ لأنه الكالسيوم احنا نعتبره عبارة عن enzyme activator. Free calcium ion will result in premature activation of lysosomal enzymes. And as you know, lysosomal enzymes can degrade different intracellular components, including the cell membrane, because it contains phospholipases, and as you know, the cell membrane is composed of phospholipid bilayer. It can also, يعني نقصد بها lysosomal enzymes, can degrade proteins due to it contains proteases, and it will further degrade ATP because it contains ATPases, and it can also degrade DNA because it contains endonucleases. Sometimes during the course of cell injury, there will be the generation of oxygen-free radicals. They are very important in a very important mediator of cell death, resulting in cell injury, and this will accelerate the process of cell injury.